Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss few examples on values of trigonometric ratios. So in our previous videos we already discussed different theta values for different ratios, and in this video we are going to discuss how to solve examples on those values of trigonometric ratios. So coming to the first example, so here the given example is if sine a minus b is equal to 1 by 2 and cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2, then find the values of a and b. So first let us consider sine a minus b, which is given as 1 by 2. So here we already know that sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So let us replace 1 by 2 with sine 30. So by replacing we get here sine a minus b is equal to sine 30 degrees. So that implies we get here a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. And now let us name this equation as equation 1. And now let us consider cos a plus b, which is equal to 1 by 2. And here we already know that cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So by replacing 1 by 2 with cos 60, we get here a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. And now let us name this equation as equation 2. And here by solving both the equations 1 and 2, that is a minus b is equal to 30 and a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. So here by solving, here minus b and plus b gets cancelled and we get 2a is equal to 90 degrees. We get a equal to 90 degrees divided by 2, and here by simplifying we get 2 one time is 2 and 2 45 times is 90. So that implies we get the value of a is equal to 45 degrees. And now in order to find the value of b, let us substitute the value of a in any of these equations. So now substituting the value of a in equation 1, we get 45 degrees minus b is equal to 30 degrees. So that implies we get b equal to 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. And here by subtracting we get the result as b equal to 15 degrees. So hence these are the values for both a and b. And make a note of the values of trigonometric ratio, such as sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. And now let us proceed and discuss one more example. So here the given example is if a equal to 30 degrees, then show that sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a, and also prove that cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sine square a, and then tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So first let us prove whether sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. So in order to prove, let us consider LHS side, that is sine 2a. So here we are given with the value of a. So by substituting the value of a in sine 2a, we get sine 2 into 30 degrees. So that implies we get sine 60 degrees. And here the value of sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So this is the value for sine 2a. And now let us consider RHS side, that is 2 sine a cos a. And now let us substitute the value of a. So we get 2 sine 30 degrees into cos 30 degrees. So that implies we get here 2 into the value of sine 30, which is 1 by 2, into the value of cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. And here by simplifying we get 2 one time is 2 and 2 one time is 2. So that implies the result over here is root 3 by 2. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. We get here root 3 by 2 as the result. So we can say that sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. And now let us prove cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sine square a. So first, let us consider LHS side, that is cos 2a, and then substitute the value of a. We get here cos 2 into 30 degrees, so that implies we get cos 60 degrees. And here the value of cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the value for cos 2a. And now let us consider RHS side, that is cos square a minus sin square a. And then substituting the value of a here, we get cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 30 degrees. So that implies we get here the value of cos square 30, that is root 3 by 2 whole square, minus the value of sin square 30, which is 1 by 2 whole square. So that implies we get here root 3 square, which is 3 here, divided by 2 square, which is 4, minus 1 by 2 square, that is 4. So here we have common denominators. So we get 3 minus 1 divided by 4. So that implies we get 2 by 4. And here by simplifying, 2 1 time is 2 and 2 2 times is 4. So we get the result as 1 by 2 on the RHS side. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. And now let us proceed and prove whether tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So in order to prove, let us consider LHS side, that is tan 2a, and then substitute the value of 30. So we get tan 2 into 30, which is tan 60. And here the value of tan 60 is equal to root 3. And now let us consider RHS side, that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. And then substituting the value of a, that is 30 degrees, 2 into the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So that implies we get here 2 by root 3 in the numerator divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, as root 3 square is equal to 3. So that implies we can write this as 2 by root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3. So that implies we get 2 by root 3 into the reciprocal of the denominator, that is 3 by 2. And here by simplifying, we get 2 1 time is 2 and 2 1 time is 2. So here we get 3 by root 3. And then we can write root 3 whole square in the numerator divided by the denominator root 3. So hence root 3 and square gets cancelled. So we get the result as root 3. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. We can also use this as formulas in further videos. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve few examples on different theta values for different trigonometric ratios. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vtechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.